Hi, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Next is the biased series clipper. What is the meaning of biased series clipper? Series clipper are the clippers in which the diode and the load resistances are in series. And biased is we are applying a voltage in series with the diode. Hence it is biased series clipper. Now how to go about the analysis? In the analysis, we are considering the diode to be ideal. Diode to be ideal. What does it mean? We are not considering the 0.7 ka voltage drop. 0.7 voltage drop in the circuit. So for ideal, for simplicity, we are considering the diode to be ideal. So now we look at the circuit. This bias voltage 2 volt. The negative part of the voltage source is connected to the negative of the diode and positive is connected to the positive. That means this 2 volt supply is forward biasing the diode, say D. Since it is forward biasing, how the circuit will look like when we are applying the input with the voltage source. You have 2 volts voltage source. The diode will be short circuited because of this 2 volt battery. It is short circuiting the diode. You have plus minus VI, then the load resistance RL and the output voltage plus minus VO. So when you apply KVL from this point to this point, that is in order to get the output, the equation VO for this will be VI, or you can say rather than this for simplicity, you can say VI minus 2 minus VO equals to 0, which means that VO is VI minus 2. This equation is very important. That is, we are applying KVL from input to output. So when you apply KVL from input to output, you have VO equals to VI minus VI minus 2, right? Now our VI in the positive half cycle, here we are dealing with the positive half cycle. Our input is varying from 0 to 4 volts. 0 to 4 volts, that means that initially you have VI as 0 volts. So what will be your VO for VI as 0 volts? It will be minus 2. So when your VI is 0, you are getting output as minus 2 volts. When your VI is 1, you are getting VO as minus 1 volt. When VI is 2, you are getting VO as 0. That means your input 0 level is now shifted to minus 2 volts. That I will explain you in the waveform. So for when your input is 0, you are still getting output as minus 2. Your input is 1, you are getting output as minus 1. When input is 2, you are getting VO as 0. Now when your input voltage increases about 2 volts, say for example 2.5, for 2.5 what will be the output? Now 2.5 what will be done? This 2.5, that is plus 2.5, is greater than plus 2 volt. So what will be the change in the circuit? This will be overcome by the supply voltage. So what you will have, plus minus say 2.5 volts over here, this will be overcome, and this positive is now applied to the diode because we are overcoming this 2 volts, so the battery is not shown. Now the positive of the voltage source is applied to the negative of the diode, and you have the load resistance RL and the output voltage VO.